Good morning, ocean anglers. It's a beautiful day in Auckland. I've just been down to the beach with my drone to check out how it looked this morning at Takapuna Beach. Pretty cool, eh? So I went out to Barrier a few days ago and found an area that's absolutely chocker full of fish. So here's Barrier here. So all through this area here, there's gannets working, bait schools, and there's some really big kingfish on the surface, smashing soft baits and stuff, stick baits, all that stuff. And underneath them is some really good sized snapper. So if you're wondering where to go, wondering where this kind of gannet action is hiding, it's here along the coast of Great Barrier Island here. The best lure that worked out here was the bruised banana slider. That seems to be working better than the orange at the moment. And also inshore, once again, the fleas, the tungsten fleas and red chrome seem to be the ones to use. So good luck.